What's up, my babes? And of course, you already know, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much if you're new. Thank you for clicking on this video. I really hope you stay around. If you're returning, what's up, baby? Thank you so much for clicking on it. Okay, so y'all already know. Irresistible Me hair, we will be reinstalling that wig. I am finna show y'all everything that I did to this wig. When I tell y'all, A1, I love this wig. So y'all already know what to do. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the post notification button so you can know every time that your girl upload a video. Let's get it. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so straight at the bed, I made sure to wash this hair as well as condition it. I did a deep conditioner and a good detangle to this hair. And when I tell you, y'all can't tell me that this ain't no A1 quality hair. I absolutely love it. It's amazing. Now, watch how everything lay. You would not be able to tell that this is a used wig. I also did some customization to it. You know, it was kind of long first. Now I got it short. Just want to play with different styles. It trims wonderful. Okay, guys, so this is where I want my wig. I know exactly where I want the lace to lay it now. So I'm not gonna gatekeep from y'all. Look, I don't do that ball cap method no more. It was a waste of time for me, and it also was pulling at my edges. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm just applying the glue to the perimeter of my head, leaving, making sure I'm missing all edges. Nah, we ain't doing it over here. But I'm just making sure everything is laid flat, and I'm gonna let this dry down, and we're gonna apply the wig. Alright, so now it's time to place the lace down, and I'm placing it where I want it at. Not too far down, but y'all, baby, this is going on smooth and it's stuck already. Okay, so I'm using the spritz to make sure that my lace is melted. I want to make sure I have a smooth install. So I'm just going to go ahead and struggle to take this off. Like, really. So now that I got it off, we going to go ahead and spray it down. If you want to make sure that your lace is melted, please put a band on. Now, I do not wear my bands for no 30 minutes or nothing like that. I just wear it long enough to I feel that my wig is melted the way that I wanted it melted. Okay, y'all, so this is the final outcome. I absolutely love it. I do want to thank Irresistible Beauty Hair for, of course, I already know working with your girl. This is the first one that I installed. This is the exact same unit. I just took a few inches off of it, made sure it was completely flat, and now in order to get that flat down bob look, I'm fit to tie this down and put it in a button for the night. So again, make sure to use my code for some money off. Make sure to shop with Irresistible Men Hair. And again, I want to say thank you so much, Irresistible Men Hair, for working with me in this video. So y'all already know. Until the next one, I love y'all so much. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the post notification button so you know every time that your girl upload a video. It's the next one. Bye.